Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix SSL protocol error in your Edge or Chrome browser. You are getting err SSL protocol error. Let's fix it guys. Right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type inetcpl.cpl. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to click on content tab and under certificates you just need to click on clear SSL state and click on OK. Now you just need to click on this advanced tab and you just need to scroll down to the bottom, and here are the three options listed over here guys. Use SSL 3.0 and use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1. You just need to check mark these three options and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting your PC, you can browse without getting error guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.